how's it going? You've been on this plant-based journey for about 2 weeks now, and I would love to hear from you. Put a comment in the comments below or shoot me an email. Let me know how things are going. Have you been keeping up with your fruits and vegetables and beans and taking a walk every time you eat? If you have, great. If you're struggling with that, it's okay. Because if you're doing it every once in a while, you're starting to build a habit. So just keep trying every time to get a little bit better, because progress beats perfection every time. If you have been keeping right on track and you're ready for step number 3, then I'm going to walk you through that right now. Okay, so step number 1, of course, is to continue on with all the things that you have been doing. You want to make sure that you are getting your fruits, your vegetables, your beans, you're taking your walk, and then goal number 2 is going to be just trying another recipe or 2. We're going to keep up this foundation, and we're going to build this foundation to keep you on track and build strong habits. Okay, goal number 3 for this step is a little different. I am going to ask you to pick one whole day to be plant-based. That's kind of like a meatless Monday, only it's going to be a plant-based Monday, or you can pick any day of the week you want. But whether it's Monday or Tuesday or Thursday, pick one full day that you're going to eat completely plant-based. That's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It could be something super simple to make it easy on you. You can have oatmeal for breakfast. You can do something like a taco salad for lunch. You can do spaghetti for supper, something easy if that's what's going to work for you. Or if you've got some plant-based recipes that you've tried that you love, plan those all for one day so that you've got one full day of plant-based eating. Goal 4 is going to be super fun for this step. I want you to get out your guide to eating out, and I want you to invite one of your friends or a family member to eat out with you. And I want you to practice trying to eat healthier when you eat out. In the guide, I show you how to get more fruits and vegetables when you're out and give you the choice whether you just want to be vegetarian when you eat out or if you want to go completely plant-based when you eat out, but how to make healthier choices. And that's going to be a fun social time, and maybe you can share a little bit about your plant-based journey with your friend. The goal for this guide is to help you feel prepared but not overwhelmed, and this guide is going to help you do that. You've already done the hardest part. You've gotten started. Just keep moving forward. If you feel like your checklist is too much for you, just keep your steps, but take longer to do them. Maybe it'll take you a whole month to get really good at eating your fruit and vegetables and walking. That's okay. Just keep doing it. And if you miss a day, it's okay. You can do this. The only way you're not going to reach your goal is if you quit. So keep trying. Even if it's just 1% better, you can do this. I'll see you next week with step number 4.